Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Dream of Crafts. My name is Deanna and today I'm going to straighten this out just a second here. Today we are going to be working on tutorial number 7 for my Graphic 45 ABC Primer mini album, and we're just going to go in and do a few little decorations and then it will be done, and then I will start loading up first with the walkthrough and then with each tutorial. So let's go ahead and we can go ahead and start on the back here. So I've decided to put this chipboard right here on the back. This book is very full right now, so I want to try to keep everything else on the inside small. Okay, let me see here. I think that looks about right. Just like so. So I'm going to use the chipboard pieces only on the outside because I don't need any more bulk on the inside. I did write a note for my granddaughter's teacher. On the front, I've got this piece of the chipboard, and I just added a heart brad to it. Let me grab another glue stick here. This one's getting kind of low there. So I'm going to go put this up here, but I want to add A, B, and C up here also. So let me see, I'll put a little on the B first. There we go. Just like that. And we'll remove any glue strings that might come about here. Go. So this should be a fairly short video. And just add some other elements to this, like alphabets with a cap on it. And then I'm going to add the apples down along the bottom here. Just like that, I think. I just thought those would be cute on there. So. I don't want anything, protruding too much. I wanted to keep it kind of simple. There we go. Got 4 apples. All right. So these are the pieces that I have left in here. I do have a class notes that I've added a yellow brad to and snipped off one of the edges because it was pretty high. And I think we're going to just place that right on the spine here, just so she wants to add a note to that. So I'm going to make sure, oops, get a good amount of hot glue on there. I like this little hot glue gun, but it doesn't pull the glue sticks down very good. There we go. Oops, sorry. So that's just a brad out of my stash. There we go. All right, I think we're done with the glue gun. We're going to start in here. I think I've got this down here like this. Go. And I have backed one of the stickers with black cardstock and trimmed around it. Just filled my glue thing here too, so Got nice glue coming out. So I'm going to put this right up here, kind of like that. And I just used my paper punch to get those, just a regular hand paper punch like you'd use to punch holes for a regular paper. Inexpensive punch. Works pretty good. And then, okay, let's put this up here. And I did end up covering these with, this is a January Children's Hour paper, and I just cut, and then each of these was coinciding down as a 1/2 inch piece. So when you look at it, it just follows right through. And for this one, I have this sticker that I've also backed with black cardstock, same cardstock I used to build the album. So scraps, I use scraps to back anything I needed to with the black cardstock, and we're just going to add that there, like so. That looks pretty centered. There we go. Okay, and then I've got these two from the sticker sheet. Again, I used just the circle punch to punch out the round parts of the stamp there. And we're just going to add one of these each to these pockets here. One says you're invited. The other one says for you. There we go. Cute there. All right. Okay. Then we are going to flip to here, and I can see whoops, wait a minute. We're going to flip. Where are you at? You're in here. Okay. So let's go here. This is from the sticker sheet, and I've cut it down to coordinate with this. And I want to say 7 inches, but let me just double check it. Oh, 7 1/4 inches. So this is from the sticker sheet. I'm going to add the time one to the bottom. Right along the bottom edge here. I'm leaving. Oh, I do want to use a little glue on this, even though they're sticky. I'm just going to reassure that it's going to stick. I'm going to leave about a 1/16 of an inch down along the bottom there. And place that down. Like so. And then I'm going to use the top part, the ABC part, on the top edge. Again, I'm going to put that down about a 1/16 of an inch from the top edge. There we go. And that's got a little black strip on it. I'm just going to throw that away. All right, so that takes care of that. Oops. Okay, keep moving along here. I don't think I have anything in here that I need to do. This I was going to leave alone. I think we're going to go to here. Let's go to here first. This I'm going to add to the top and bottom here, because it was perfect size for that. And I'm going to put that right along the top edge there, just to bring in a little bit of color and to use the rest of that up. Doesn't take up much space in the time part on the very bottom. Okay, just like that. Now this one is cut from the one of the January cardstock things. So, and I have no idea what I did with that pack. I've not seen it around, but it was a January Children's Hour. So, ooh, actually, let me wipe some of that glue off here because I want to leave it open. Let's set a second. While we do some of these other ones, I want that to kind of dry up. I want to leave it open. All right, this little one was cut from the January, back with black cardstock. I'm just going to add a little bit down on the bottom here. I'm going to put it right in this corner here, just like so. Maybe I should add a little underneath this boot. There we go. And then she can still slide a picture down in there, okay? And have room for journaling or whatever she wants, okay? So we're going to do that. And then I have this one. This is from my scraps. And it was like right to there, so I just cut around it and then backed with cardstock. So I'm going to, again, just a little bead along the bottom. And we'll put that one here, like so. And then let's go open this up here. We have the little girl blowing bubbles. Same, she was just, this is what was left of her, so I just fussy cut it and added my black cardstock. She'll still be able to tuck something under there. I think that was it for those little decorations. Oopsie. For those decorations. There we go. Just a couple of each of those, yep. And then I think I want this one. I think let's go ahead and, boy, I'm tempted. Maybe right down here in the bottom corner. That way. So I'm just going to put a little glue here and a little glue here. You can still slide something underneath there. Right to that corner there. All right. Okay. And then now I think the last ones I wanted to do were just these ABC stamps cutouts. And I'm just going to glue one in each corner here. So I think I'll do one up here. So just along the top edge, just like that. And this edge, maybe just to put it right in that corner, just like so. So that will not interfere with her sliding a picture in there. Let's do B over here. So on this side here, in the top, there we go, right there. Gives it a little something. And then H down here. So this side and the bottom. Oops, can't see it. Sorry. I'm sorry. Got you out of frame there. Here we go. So now you can see where I put that A. Okay. And last but not least is our I. That. There. Just like that. Put that down in this corner here. All right. Down like that. What was this one? Oh. Yes, I was going to glue this down to, was I going to do it to that other one? I was thinking about doing it to there, but we got that one. So let's go ahead and put this one down at the bottom here. Okay. And I'll just add a little bit of glue right down there. And that is all I'm going to add to this. Because like I said, this book is full. And she has to have the ability to add pictures. So that is all I am going to do to it. And I'll stand it up and you can see that it is full, but you know, it's not tight full, so I think she'll have plenty of room to add her stuff. So thank you for joining in, and feel free to ask me any questions. I'll do my best to answer them for you. And I hope you give this album a try. You do not have to use this same brand of cardstock or theme. You can use whatever one you want. I just happen to see these two little clocks that I was going to put, and they're just little tiny chipboard clocks. I was going to add those to the back here. You can use any one you want. It does not have to be this, but if you give it a try, let me know. And if you're a subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider doing so. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down in the right-hand corner. A bell will pop up. If you hit that bell, you'll be notified each time I put up a new tutorial. As always, I wish you and your family many, many blessings and hugs to you all. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.